How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add a reference image in Krita. So first things first, just make sure that the show reference images is turned on inside the view option. Right after, you then want to click on the view reference image or the reference images tool, and then click on the tool option at the corner of your screen. Basically, from here, to add your reference image, you just want to click on the paste option if you have copied it on your clipboard. But in my case, I'm going to be adding it from a file. So let's go ahead and add this specific image right here. And basically right after, of course, you want to adjust this accordingly. And then there you have it. This is your project and this is the reference image that we have. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.